Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to use bracket notation to find the nth character in a string. This is very useful stuff. You'll use it all the time. So it's good to get a good grip on it. You can also use bracket notation to get the character at the other positions within a string. Remember that computers start counting at 0, so the first character is actually the 0th character. Let's try to set third letter of last name to equal the third letter of last name variable using bracket notation. Try looking at the second letter of first name variable declaration if you get stuck. Okay, so first off, we're setting Ada is equal to the variable first name is equal to Ada, and the variable called second letter of first name is equal to first name at position 1. What do you think that is? It's the D, right? Because A is in position 0. And so if we were to console log second letter of first name, or see, it's going to pop out with D. If we were to make this 0, it would be the A. And 8 is not a great example, but say we wanted to make it Lovelace. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want that capital L, we would set it to be position 4. Let's set that back to 1. That's just where it was. And then let's return this to be Ada. And so for our setup, they're applying the last name, so Loveless, which is equal to Ada, and then we only want to change the code below this line here. And let's see, what are they asking here? Try looking for the second letter of the first name. Oh, what we want to do is let's try to set third letter of last name. So the third letter is 0, 1, 2. And so we would just make this be the third letter of last name is equal to last name at position 2. Wait, the second letter of the first name. Wait, we want to find the third letter. Okay, so yeah, we'll make that 2. And that would be the letter 0. And so if we console logged the third letter of last name, you'll see that it would be V. And theoretically, that's what they want us to do here. Cool, that passed. This is super useful stuff. Like, you're going to be using this kind of thing very often when you're this is called indexing arrays, and this is a huge thing with computer science. So being able to understand when and how indexing works like that is really valuable. So once again, if you were to spell it out, you'll see this one. What we're going to do is just slowly spell out Loveless. So this is the first letter. This is the set L O V E L A C E, right? Because it's just going LOVELACE, and so we're just changing where we're calling the index on this string. Yeah, and so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next lesson.